Here few questions for the NEET examination. First one is, which of the following statements is correct with reference to enzyme? Here holoenzyme equal to apoenzyme plus coenzyme. Holoenzyme made of apoenzyme plus coenzyme. Okay. Which cells of crypt of luvercune secrete antibacterial lysozyme? Answer will be the Paneth cells. Phosphoenol pyruvate (PEP) is the primary CO2 acceptor in C4 plants. Match the sexually transmitted diseases. Here all are correct. This means gonorrhea caused by Neisseria, syphilis caused by Treponema, and genital warts caused by human papilloma virus, and AIDS caused by HIV virus. Okay. Which among the following are the smallest living cells known without a definite cell wall, pathogenic to plants as well as animals, and can survive without oxygen? Answer will be the mycoplasma. Which one of from those given below is the period of Mendel's hybridization experiment? Means which era Mendel's work for their experiments? Answer will be the 1856 to 1863. Flowers which have single ovule in the ovary and are packed into inflorescence are usually pollinated by wind. Asymptote in a logistic growth curve is obtained when k is equal to n. Out of x pair of ribs in humans, only y pairs are true ribs. Select the option that correctly represent value of x and y. Means total number of ribs is equal to 12 pairs, in which 7 is the true ribs. Malt constitute about how much percent of the lymphoid tissue in human body? Malt means mucosa associated lymphoid tissue. It constitutes about 50%. Homozygous pure line in cattle can be obtained by, answer will be the mating of related individuals of same breed. Among the following characters, which one was not considered by Mendel in his experiment on pea? Answer will be the trichomes, glandular or non-glandulars. Which of the following cell organelles is responsible for extracting energy from carbohydrates to form ATP? Answer will be the mitochondria. If there are 999 bases in RNA that codes for protein with 333 amino acids, and the base at position 901 is deleted such that the length of RNA becomes 998 bases, how many codons will be altered? Answer will be the 33. Which of the following found in the extreme saline condition? The Archaebacteria is found in the extreme saline condition. Receptor sites for neurotransmitters are present on postsynaptic membrane. Artificial selection to obtain cow yielding higher milk output represents directional, as it pushes the mean of the character in one direction. The hepatic portal vein drain blood to liver from intestine. The water potential of pure water is zero. Which of the following represent order of horse? Perissodactyla. Answer will be the Perissodactyla. Alexander van Humboldt described for the first time regarding a species area relationship. DNA fragments are negatively charged. A baby boy aged 2 years is admitted to a play school and passes through a dental checkup. The dentist observed that boy had 20 teeth. Which teeth were absent? Answer will be the premolars. Anaphase promoting complex APC is a protein degradation machinery necessary for proper mitosis of animal cells. If APC is defective in a human cell, which of the following is expected to occur? Answer will be the chromosome will not segregate. The important characteristics that hemichordates share with chordates is pharynx with gill slits. The genotype of a husband and wife are IA, IB, and IA or I. Among the blood type of their children, how many different genotypes and phenotypes are possible? Here answer will be the 4 genotypes and 3 phenotypes will be possible. Transplantation of tissues organs fails often due to non-acceptance by the patient's body. Which type of immune responses is responsible for such rejection? Answer will be the cell-mediated immune response. Adult human RBCs are enucleated. Which of the following statement is are not most appropriate explanation for this feature? Answer will be the all their internal space is available for oxygen transport. Here, if we remove not, the answer will become 1, 2, 3. Lungs are made up of air-filled sacs, the alveoli. They do not collapse even after forceful expiration because of residual volume. Zygotic meiosis is characteristics of Chlamydomonas. Select the route of sperm in male frog. Means sperm travels in male frog in which routes which way? Answer will be the testis, vas efferentia, kidney, kidney to Bidder's canal, and Bidder canals to urinogenital duct, and then cloaca. Okay. Which one of the following statement is not valid for aerosol? Not valid for aerosol. They cause increased agricultural productivity. Answer will be the they cause increased agricultural productivity. Viroids differ from viruses in having RNA molecule without protein coat. During DNA replication, Okazaki fragments are used to elongate the lagging strand away from the replication fork. Plants which produced characteristics pneumatophores and so vivipary belong to halophytes. The process of separation and purification of expressed protein before marketing is called downstream processing. Identify the wrong statement in context of hardwood. Answer will be the wrong statement is it conducts water and mineral efficiently. This is the wrong statement. Spliceosomes are not found in the cell of bacteria. Spliceosomes are not found in the cell of bacteria. Which of the following statement is correct? The ascending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water. This is the correct, and rest are the wrong. Which ecosystem has the maximum biomass? The answer will be the forest ecosystem. The final proof of DNA as the genetic material came from the experiments of Hershey and Chase. The function of copper releasing IUD is they suppress sperm motility and fertilizing capacity of sperm. The example of colonial algae is Volvox. Root hairs develop from the region of maturation. Means root develop from maturation region of the root. Hypersecretion of growth hormone in adult does not cause increase in height because epiphyseal plates close after adolescence. Means epiphyseal plate is responsible for height growth which closed after adolescence. Okay, thank you.